Sitting next to a charcoal stove in the Northwest Mountains, I had the opportunity to enjoy a dish that just by hearing the name, I could feel its uniqueness. Grilled minced meat wrapped in leaves, which the locals affectionately call phum pum or some places call nuot fall. Just hearing it, many people might think it's simple, but in fact, this is one of the dishes that clearly shows the soul of mountain cuisine. The meat used to make it is usually local pork or beef, minced, mixed with typical spices that can only be found in the Northwest: mekkin, doi seeds, lemongrass, ginger, wild garlic. All are seasoned to taste, then people wrap the meat in fresh green leaves picked right in the garden. It can be dong leaves, banana leaves, or even fragrant mak mat leaves. Sitting waiting for each grilled meat roll to cook, listening to the sizzling sound of fat dripping onto the coals, the thin white smoke rising, the aroma lingering around making the stomach growl. When I took a bite, I was really surprised. The rich sweetness of the meat mixed with the aroma of grilled leaves, mixed with a bit of the characteristic spiciness of the mekkin seeds, made the dish extremely harmonious. The meat was soft, not dry at all, well seasoned, and served with a little bit of Thai people's chamcho salt. It was truly the best. What I like most about phum pum or nuot pho is not only the flavor, but also the atmosphere of enjoying it. In the middle of the mountains at night, sitting around the fire with the locals, on the table there were a few cups of corn wine, a few plates of wild vegetables dipped in chamcho, and a plate of grilled meat wrapped in leaves with billowing smoke. The people of the Northwest say that this dish is closely associated with daily life, but also often appears during festivals, Tet, or when there are distinguished guests. It is not simply food, but also an invitation, a heart of hospitality, and a simple sharing of the people in the highlands. If you have the opportunity to visit the Northwest, I am sure that you should try the grilled minced meat wrapped in leaves once, to feel the sweetness, the spiciness, the aroma, and most of all, the warm humanity here. For me, just enjoying it once is enough to remember it forever, like remembering the smell of smoke on my clothes, remembering the special taste that just mentioning phum pum nuot pho makes my heart flutter.